I want to ask our workers to drop that curtain. The peaks are this gorgeous reflection of our mountains, but also our value of public art in the entire creation of the new SLC.
Since we're building this beautiful world-class new airport, it would be appropriate to have an entry feature that reflected the community and the landscape and the culture to the extent that we could. And so we take note of the 5 tribes. It was wonderful to have an elder here with us today to bless the site.
As today it's a landmark for the airport, so that they know that by watching the mountains, they know where they need to bring those planes in.
This is a reflection of the talent, I think the intentional work around beauty, function, form, all coming together.
What better way to celebrate the natural beauty of Utah, and what better way of reducing the stress of travel than giving the viewer something that inspires awe and wonder. I don't know if you noticed, but that's kind of an overlap of the world map that's on there.
The biggest challenge on this one was, if you could imagine, if you have like 100 Lego pieces and one is not fitting, and by the end of the day you will find out that you get a problem at the top. So that was the challenge, to figure out a system behind it to get this done.
I hope people come around this corner, see the peaks and think, oh my gosh, this is a great airport already and I haven't even set foot inside of it yet.